Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of luxury fashion. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In American accent, we may pronounce it as Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton, note the sound of A in the end. While in British accent, it's pronounced as Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton, with a sound of O in the end. Louis Vuitton is helping individuals make a statement with their style and sophistication. From its iconic monogrammed bags to its elegant ready-to-wear collections, Louis Vuitton has become synonymous with luxury, craftsmanship, and timeless elegance. If you enjoyed learning about this word, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.